In this video, I'm going to show you how to make extensions active in your Google Chrome Incognito window. Here we go. First things first, we'll start by going to the Chrome Web Store and install an extension. I'll click on the app launcher that's on the bookmarks bar, and I'll go to the Chrome Web Store. In this case, I'm just going to search for Google Translate. In order to add the extension, I'll click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Once I add the extension, I'll see it active here in the upper right-hand corner, right next to the Omnibox. Now that we have our Google Chrome extension added, normally when we open a new Incognito window, you'll see that extensions are not active. I don't see my Google Translate extension here, so I can't use it while I'm in an Incognito window. In order to activate the extension, what I'll do is click on the three dots here, which I like to call the snowman. So I'll click on the little snowman and go to More Tools and then click on Extensions. Once I click on Extensions, I'll then see a list of all of my extensions. The extension I want to activate in my Incognito window is Google Translate. So I'll click on Details. Once I see the details, I'll then scroll down and I'll be able to see Allow in Incognito window. So what I will do is simply turn it on. Many times I also want to allow it to access the file URLs. So in this particular case, because it is a Google Translate, if there are different files that are associated with that particular URL or that website, it will also work on those as well. So I'll turn that one on as well. And that's it. Once I hit the back arrow to go back to my list of extensions, now when I click on the three dots to open a new Incognito window, we'll now see that the Google Translate icon is here.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment below and share it with a colleague or on social media. Let me know if there's something you want me to cover, and I'll make a video for that as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the little bell so you get notified when I upload new content. Thanks for watching. See you next time.